Hi, I'm Jen. Welcome to Blythe Bags. And today we're going to be unboxing Hello Again Junie Moonie Cutie. She is a re-release from a doll that was named Junie Moon Cutie, and that was in 2014, but she sold out very quickly. And she's very popular. So they re-released this doll in 2021. And again, a sellout, very popular. She was on top of my wish list for a very long time. Um, and I was able to get her at a great price. I got her off of Zen Market. I had done another purchase from them, brief, just a very quick book that cost like $30. I just wanted to try out the site because I never used the site before. And when that ended up going well, I said, let me start looking, and purchasing some Blythes. So that shipment had this Blythe in it, which I paid $194 for her. She's a $300 Blythe on CC Toys and even more than that on other sites. So I got a very good deal on her. I got this doll, another Blythe, new in box, and three handbags, one of which is a Henry Bendel, and it is so super heavy. I probably won't ever use the bag. I'll probably be selling it. I really wanted the bag. It looked like it was small in the photographs of the bag, but it's not only not small, it's very heavy. And I don't like heavy bags. I'll never carry it. And I have enough bags that I use as art that I don't need to have another bag, wall art or shelf art bag. So I was able to get her and the other items. So how Zen Market works is you do a search, and Zen Market acts as like the proxy site. So it will search Mercari Japan, and there's a Japanese auction site. It also searches Amazon Japan and Yahoo Japan and some other sites. And for those five items, which I showed on my YouTube community page, like the box was like a crate because I paid for reinforcement, which I didn't really need. They literally made the box like a gigantic crate. And it cost me $163, including tariffs and shipping. So it was very expensive, but there were five items. They were high priced items, so I'm not really surprised. So that's how Zen Market works. But I really wanted her. Like I said, I got a great deal on her. And I knew I had other items in there that I was going to ship all at the same time. And she's just like the quintessential Harajuku girl. She is, Junie Moon. Junie Moon is, if you're a new collector or if you haven't collected, Junie Moon is the official shop for Blythe. They have two in Tokyo. One is in Daikanyama, which is like Shibuya area, where the famous Shibuya scramble is, where everybody runs across the street. Old people are crossing at once. It's always busy. And the other shop is in Harajuku, like right across from where I get my nails done. And I have been in that shop this summer. I purchased my first Blythe Lavandula Babe. And it's very, well, the first time, I don't know if this time I'll be so overwhelmed, but the first time I was overwhelmed because you go in there and you're looking at the dolls, and they have, clothes and shoes and accessories for the dolls and for humans. They have stationery, they have books, and it's a tiny little shop. It's not much bigger than this. I mean, this is a pretty big room. This office is huge, but it's like this size, and you kind of are looking like, what am I getting here? What should I buy? And my husband was no help. He was outside. There was, the vending machines are so crazy there, and he found this vending machine. It was like very close to the shop, and it was the one that has the fresh oranges, and it will do the fresh squeeze orange juice for you. And it was expensive. It was like 700 yen, which is like, I don't know, 400, I mean, $4 for US dollars. But he kept buying these things, and so he kept coming in, and he's like, did you make a decision yet? And I'm just like looking like, I don't know what to get. And he's like, just get something, get what you want. But the thing is, like I said, you don't really know. So I picked the Blythe that I wanted, thinking that I was, that was going to be it. I wasn't going to buy like 35 more Blythes, which I have since the summer. It's crazy. But so I love it. I love Junie Moon. I love Harajuku. I love going down to Kashitadori. I love the whole Tokyo thing. So she was a must buy for me. So let's see what it says about her. Like I said, the original Junie Moon came out. Junie Moon Cutie came out in 2014. This doll came out in 2021. So it says, I'm Junie Moon. I am Junie Moonie Cutie. My house is Junie Moon. I'm the shop image girl, and I love to meet all of the fans. Let's continue having a great time together. And her face type is Radiance Renewal. Her face color is translucent cream. I didn't even notice that. Um, and she is translucent. I have another translucent doll. Oh, Sailing Dominique. She's translucent as well. She has brown eyeshadow and eyelids. Okay, so that means when you pull the pull cord and her eyelids close, it's painted brown with the eyeshadow. And she has pink lips in a special plum shape. Okay, so they're definitely plump. I didn't know that Takata Tomy did plump lips. Like the Good Smile Company, the newer dolls, they've been doing plump lips a lot, and a lot of collectors do not like it at all. I like it. I think it looks adorable, but a lot of collectors are like, stop with the plump lips. I like it. And she has pink cheeks. Her eye colors are brown front facing, mint green left facing, which that's interesting. She has a pink with a heart print pupil center facing. So Doronjo has that, but hers are holographic. This doesn't say that it's holographic. And she has light blue right facing. So all of her eye colors are special. Her eyelashes are light brown, so those are special also because the default color for Blythe eyelashes are black. She has blonde hair, and oh, she has heart shaped stud earrings. Oh yeah, they're blue. I see them now. This has the plastic still on there, so I couldn't see. And her set includes the doll, the dress, her hair accessories, her earrings, her socks, her underpants, and shoes, and a stand. And I'm pretty sure she has a Junie Moon shopping bag in there. I'm almost positive that the other doll I know came with. I'm pretty sure she comes with it too. She was released on March 26, 2021, and her price at that time was 17,900 yen. So I got a good deal on her. I always wanted her. And like I said, I was buying other things on Zen Market. So I figured let me just roll all of the shipping and tariff charges into one shipment. It ended up like not working out so great for me, but still. And it came like within 2 days. The shipping from Japan is very fast. So I wanted to show you what the original Junie Moon Cutie looked like. I have it in the guidebook, so let me go ahead and grab that and then we can show you. So this guidebook is from 2012 to 2016, I think. Yes. And she's a 2014 girl, and here she is. That is the Junie Moonie Cutie, and she was from 2014. She came out in December of 2014, and you can see there she has a little box for her doll and a little Junie Moon shopping bag, and she had the pink outfit with the teal trim on her, and her hair is not exactly blonde. I mean, it is a like a dirty blonde, but this doll is very blonde. So then I'll show you the next book. Okay, this is the next book. This is 2017 through 2020. This is the last of the three guidebooks, the most recent guidebook. So, as I said, she was from 2021. And as you can see here it says 20 years of love. That is the anniversary year of 20 years. And they only had 5 dolls that year. So she was one of them. And you can see, oh, there's a little shopping bag. So you can see she has much lighter blonde hair, and her pull cord is special. And there's her little shoes, and she does have the doll box and the shopping bag. So let's go ahead and see what she looks like outside of the box. Okay, so here she is in her box. She's just so cute. And I love the Hello Again Junie Moonie Cutie here. And she's just really, really cute. And you can see I don't know if you can tell, but her skin is translucent. So let's go ahead and open the box. They make it like so hard to find where the actual tape is. Okay. And then this is the Takata Tomy support number. And there she is out of her box. Okay, well, here she is out of her box. She is adorable. Oh, she is just so cute. And the skirt, like everything feels good, the quality of the clothes and everything, and her little hair bow. Oh, she's just so sweet. I am so excited that I got this all. I really, really wanted her. So let's go ahead and now try to get all that stuff out done. Okay, let's see how much of this I got out because you never know. Got the stand here, pink, and the shoes. Let's see, the shoes, the shoes, the shoes. Blue. Oh, how cute! And look at the little buckles. Can you see that? The little buckles, so cute. Shoes there. And her socks. Socks. Oh, with the little pink bows on there. Oh, they're really sweet. And then her stand right out. And her shopping bag. I know this is going to be so cute. Oh, there's her little box. So cute. And her shopping bag. Okay, so I've got to origami this thing together. That should be interesting. Okay, why didn't she have it looked like she had a little top there, like a, oh, there is. Okay. Is there, how is she supposed to carry that bag? Okay, that's interesting. So there was a handle on there. Okay, and now let's see if we can get her out. Okay, there she is. Oh, she's a hard one to get out of her box today. This doll did not want to come out of her box. Okay, so my battery on my microphone died. There is her pull cord, which is special, and she has a left-facing mint green there. And then when her eyelids close, you can see her brown eyeshadow and the brown eyelashes. Oh, those are the front-facing brown. I really like those. And right-facing blue and front-facing pink. And both of her eyes and the pupils have the hearts, which I love. Duranjo has that, and I love that. And then back to the left facing mint green. She's really just so pretty. So here she is out of her box, out of all of her plastic. Her hair is very curly. She definitely has a perm, so I will be very careful with this. She has lots of little ringlets there. And this was like no easy feat. That was like torturous trying to get that shopping bag and that box put together. But it's very cute. There's a little box, you see, it says Blythe. And it even has little hearts, says Junie Moon Cutie on there. The shopping bag, I don't know. It's supposed to have like handles on it, which it doesn't. So unless they fell out, but I don't see them anywhere, I'll have to make my own handles with a ribbon or something. But it's very cute. She's adorable. And now I'm going to get the bag. Okay, we've seen the Blythe, and I feel like all worn out from trying to do this like torturous origami, putting the shopping bag and the box together. Because every time you folded it into itself, like if I folded the top, the bottom would fall out. If I did this one side on the left, the right side would pop out. This was really frustrating. I should have waited for my husband, the engineer, to get home. So this is a Dooney and Bourke bag that I purchased to match her. And this is the Dooney and Bourke Leather Sweetie Crossbody Hobo bag. So, and the reason I bought it was 100% for the color. I love blue bags. I have so many blue bags, it's not even funny, but I love them. So for me, oh, I love it. It's just a really bright color, and this is like a spring summer bag. I will use this a lot. Okay, so I've got everything unwrapped. I'm just having a hard time today getting things unwrapped out of their plastic, folded into the, their little paper origamis. So this is a Dooney and Bourke Sweetie Leather Crossbody Hobo bag. It's a great size for me. I do not carry big bags. So here we have the dust bag, Dooney and Bourke. And all of the tissue paper, Junie and Bourke. That way we can see the inside of this. Okay, so here's the front of the bag. It has a nice clasp. And I tried this on and it is a good length, but it is adjustable. And there's the Junie and Bourke. And let's see what the inside looks like. This is Junie card. Tight pocket there. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of that, but it's a very cute bag. If you're running out and you want something light, like for me, this is a good summer bag. I don't like anything heavy in the summer, and I want something that I can just, throw on and get in and out of easy. So I'm very happy with this bag. Very cute. This was on sale. I paid, I think, like $95 for this leather bag. So I actually like it. It's like a periwinkle blue. I really like it. I knew it would match well with her. And I love a blue bag, like I said. So that's the bag. And then I'm going to go ahead and style the doll with the bag. Okay, well, there she is. Hello again, Junie Moonie Cutie, with my Dooney and Bourke leather cutie, no, sweetie bag. She's cutie, that's sweetie. And I just think they look really good together. And I wanted the whole wall to kind of look like very summery. So I have the lighter colors there and I'm very happy with it. I am so glad that I got her. I really wanted her for a long time. So there she is. I hope you enjoyed watching today and we will see you the next time.